everyone, I am Narayan Das, soft skill trainer and motivational speaker. Today we come to direct to our topic. Our today's topic is difference between successful people and unsuccessful people. What are the rule followed by successful people and what are the rule followed by the unsuccessful people? Very interesting topic. So don't lose this time. Let's get started. Today we discuss 11, how many? 11 major point, the difference between successful people and unsuccessful people. See here, point number 1, the successful people follow the sense of gratitude and unsuccessful people follow the sense of entitlement. The successful people believe, love to give, to provide, and unsuccessful people always expect, always demand. So this is the number 1 difference. So let's discuss point number 2. Point number 2 is the successful people always give compliment and unsuccessful people always give criticize. The successful people appreciate, give comment, and unsuccessful people criticize and blame. Point number 3, the successful people give credit others people for his victories and unsuccessful people take credit of other victories. This is the point number 3. So point number 4, successful people accept responsibilities of other failure and unsuccessful people blame others for their failure. The successful people take the responsibility, give the appreciation to others, and unsuccessful people blame to others for their failure. Point number 5, the successful people forgive others and unsuccessful people have a gauze. That means successful people give forgiveness, the quality of forgiveness. If somebody did the mistake, then he forgive to others, and unsuccessful people keep on this mind, this person blame me, this person make me mistake. So this is the difference number 5. Point number 6, difference between successful and unsuccessful person. The successful person have a journal, unsuccessful person say to others but they don't have the journal. Journal means they are writing, they are daily writing what is happening, what is the thing he need to do. This is the good thing of successful people. An unsuccessful person saying a lot but never making the journal. Point number 7, the successful people read every day and unsuccessful people watching TV every day. Nowadays, the successful people reading the book, reading the important things, and unsuccessful people spending time in social media, Facebook, YouTube. There is a lot of things in the social media. This is the point number 7. Let's discuss point number 8. The successful people talk about ideas and unsuccessful people talk about people. So this is the difference. Successful people discuss an idea and unsuccessful people discuss on people, about their mistake, about their blaming things. Point number 9, the successful person. The successful person want to other to succeed and unsuccessful person secretly think to others fail. The successful person thinking positiveness for others, unsuccessful person secretly hope for others fail. Point number 10, the successful person always learning, continuous learning, and unsuccessful person they think I know all about it. The successful person think life is a journey, learning is a never-ending process, so he continuously learning, and unsuccessful person say I know all about it. This is the last point, point number 11. The successful person create the goal, plan the goal. The successful people has a goal and unsuccessful people there is no goal, there is no vision. So this is important. Goal is important. If there is no goal, then you think what to do, what shall you do, how to go. All these things will be not visible. So action plan is required. Unsuccessful person has no action plan, has no aim, has no goal. So dear student and my colleagues, this is all about today. So the topic is successful people and unsuccessful people. I think you like this video. I am requesting please like, share, give comment and share this video to share the message and the development of people.